Hi friends, I want to show you my new puppy harness. This is a medium size. As you can see, it's really nice. It's aimed to help you get your pet whatever you need with safe, with peace of mind that your pet will be safe and having a good time, okay? As you can see, it has all the accessories that you need. Let's try it in my pet. Okay, you can see, so easy to put it on my pet. You have this way of carrying her. Here you can put the leash. This one is designed to have the name tag, like this one. Okay, and as you can see, my pet is comfortable. Perfect. Looks very, very nice. Let's go to the park. Also, you see these white strips. They are reflective, so your pet will be safe at night because all of these are reflective. We're gonna test it tonight. Friends, as you can see here, the white strips are really reflective. I am testing this with my phone's light, but you can imagine that they are reflective far away from any car. Thank you. Really recommend this dog harness.